It's like 2 o'clock. It's almost 2 o'clock. We were supposed to be on the road at 3 to go to Atlanta because I'm traveling to Atlanta to get my hair done, but we're not gonna be able to be on the road. I still have to wash it, and I actually have to film other content before I leave. My last content with my curls, because I'm gonna have my braids in for like a month. But yeah, let's go. Let's just wash this. I'm washing all of these packs of hair because I heard that, you know, you should wash it to avoid an itchy scalp, and I don't want to cause any irritation. So I'm actually doing it in a bathtub. Okay, since this is a bathtub, I think I'm gonna do like about 4 cups. Dang, this is most of half my bottle. It's 4 cups. Am I doing the whole bottle? Hold up.
What?
Dang, I think that's the whole bottle. Maybe that's enough. Pour this in here. I think I'm about to just pour the whole bottle in there.
Okay.
These are my hair packs. I want her to mix the colors. I want her to mix 350 with 33. They didn't have 33 in expressions, so I had to get it in the B. I'm not sure if I even have to wash this one because it's supposed to be antibacterial, but I don't know. It's still coming out of a factory. I can't trust that that factory actually cares about my scalp, you know? I don't know.
You'll never know what was on there.
Maybe. I'm keeping everything attached and just taking them off like this and then putting it in. Okay, yeah, I can. Ooh, the hair looks nice though. Glad I washed it because I don't know if that's the apple cider vinegar, but I definitely see that like little film layer at the top there, over here. So I can't tell if that's the apple cider vinegar and the film that is bringing it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse off the hair, and I got this like little bin I'm gonna sit it in while I clean out the tub because I'm gonna do like 2 rinses to make sure everything is out. This is what the water looks like when I am done. Glad I washed it. And I just got my hair sitting in this with the Pattern Beauty Clarifying Shampoo while the tub drains out, because then I'm going to rinse it one more time. And I'm going to lay it down. I really don't like the feel of the clean braiding hair and be braiding hair. Like you might not be able to see it, but it definitely looks more rough versus the expressions. It's just like more smooth, and I think it took being washed better. Maybe this didn't need to be washed because it says that it was antibacterial, but like I said, I still wanted to do it. So I'm about to go take this upstairs and lay it down on the fan and dry it. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. My fan on up here. I'm really hoping that this will help dry it soon. My Vegamore leave-in, I'm just like going down. I'm hoping that'll help soften it. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. I tell you one thing though, I feel like there's no way you could actually do the boho look with synthetic hair. By the feel of this, I feel like you would definitely need human hair because I can't imagine this texture being boho curly. Like, it will not. Just from me washing it, it was so knotty. No wonder why people have to take it out. Now it's time to wash and blow dry my hair. Brush or comb, so yeah, I came all the way down here and I forgot to bring that, so I had to detangle with the Dyson. Crazy. My husband tried to be nice and give me his comb, but y'all could not use his comb. That little thing was smaller than a fine tooth comb. Okay, I'm gonna finish my whole head. Y'all, my hair is all blown out. out and done. I was rushing. I feel like I could have gotten it smoother if I took my time. I'm so tired. It's 5:30 already and my appointment is at 8:30. So I'm gonna get 2 hours of sleep. Crazy. Here is my hair. Feels good. The roots are a little puffy, but I think I'm just gonna like put my hair in this a low bun, or should I put it in a high bun? Let's do a high. I am tired. Hopefully I don't have a headache, but yeah, okay. See you in a few hours. It looks definitely your look. I love that. It looks so good. This color. It matched so good.
I use the bathroom that fast.
Orangey. It's a whole. I love this so much. So here is how my hair turned out. Love it. Okay, I love. I cannot stop touching it. The curls feel so soft, the human hair curls that she got. I love it. This is so pretty, and this color, like, can we please get into the color? Look at the color. It's so good. I asked her for her to kind of match it to my curls, the color I currently have on my curls. So I told her that I wanted to mix 350 and 33, I believe. And then she dyed the human hair pieces for me. And it just like all blended so beautifully, just like the different shades, my roots, my curl color, everything. I really love this, and I can like flip my hair and stuff. It doesn't hurt. She did this so good. The hair feels so soft. I just love it.